Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Now this is just a very short video and a very good little tip. Now if you don't have a first aid kit, and as I've done, cut my finger, and you don't have any band-aids in your workshop like I have somewhere but I can't find them, make sure you got a little bit of super glue. Now super glue has the same properties as the surgical super glue does, so it can be just a cheap tube, and that it will still stop the bleeding and that sort of stuff and slowly heal up the wound, and that. But yeah, just a little tip, first aid tip. Keep some super glue in the workshop. Alright then guys, take it easy and cheerio.